12 Pro Max original color restoration demonstration. This is a phone with a new screen. You can see it installed. There is no original color function. Just remove the screen first. Take out the Luban L3 compiler. Connect the charger to power on. Need to use PD fast charging cable. PD sign appears. Install original screen. Click Save bottom layer. Switch to new screen. Click to write the saved underlying data. After successful writing, remove the screen and start installation. Install the handset assembly. Power on test. True tone function repaired successfully. Without original screen, you can use Shalu software, unband the operation. First unbundle the mobile phone. After successful unbanding, connect to Luban L3 programmer. Detection has been successfully unbundled. Click to read details. Install the screen that needs to be replaced. Click on automatic repair. Repair successfully. Remove the screen, install and test. Power on test. True tone function repaired successfully.